Okay, this Zoom session has been brought to you by the Fractal Fat Dragon. All right, for today we start chapter 7, which is about rational expressions, which consist of a ratio of polynomial divided by polynomial. Another way to say it is that a rational expression is what you get when you have variables, numbers, and you can add, subtract, multiply, and divide. Polynomials you don't divide, but all the rest. Here, well, it reduces to polynomial divided by polynomial. In a sense, are the equivalent of a ratio of integers. A polynomial is considered as being sort of like an integer. So, for example, 1 over x is a rational expression and not a polynomial. Here's x squared plus y squared over x squared minus y squared. Another rational expression. X squared minus y squared over x squared plus 2xy plus y squared, and so on. Now this one, it turns out, we can simplify by canceling common factors. So AC over BC is A over B. We cancel the common factor of C. So for example, this one, x squared minus y squared over x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. The numerator is a difference of squares, and therefore a difference times a sum, x minus y times x plus y. This, with coefficients 1, 2, and 1, is the square of a sum, x plus y times x plus y. So difference times sum over sum times sum. X plus y is a common factor, and it cancels, leaving x minus y over x plus y. Now, yeah, there's a common problem here. You can cancel common factors. Oh, wait. 7, 1, 2, right parent. Okay, here we have x plus 1 over x plus 3. The x's can cancel. So, common factors. but excuse me. But it's tempting, but a bad idea to cancel common terms. So, I mean, I've seen people do this. X plus 1 over x plus 3, cancel the x and the x again 1/3. Not necessarily the case. I mean, true, and x is 0, but not for any other value. After all, 101 over 103 is not 1/3. So don't do that. Now, if it was x minus 1 plus 1 minus x plus 3, then yes, the x's would cancel, but not in this case, but not for division. There's also when we have opposite subtractions. B minus A and A minus B are opposite to each other. So if we have B minus AX over A minus BY, we can turn this B minus AX into the opposite of A minus BX. Then the A minus B's are now common factors which cancel, leaving minus X over Y, like this. Excuse me, for some reason this is acting up. What on earth? Strange. Huh, for some reason this isn't responding. I'm afraid we're gonna have to skip that page to look into. All right, here are some examples of some problems. Let me double check. Well, maybe if I held this up and stop share, and how does this work? Speaker view. Okay, here we go. Can you see me?
Yes.
Okay, can you see this?
Yes, we see you.
Can you see this? All right, fine.
Yes.
Inferior solution, but that's what I'll do. X plus 3 over 3x plus 9, which, as you can see, you remove the common factor of x plus 3 from numerator and denominator, leaving a 3 in the denominator and 1 in the numerator, so it cancels to a 1/3. This one, x to the x squared minus 4 over x squared plus 6x plus 8. The x squared minus 4 is a difference times the sum x minus 2 times x plus 2. And x squared plus 6x plus 8, that factors into x, what I have there, x minus 2 times x minus 4. The x minus 2's cancel, leaving an x plus 2 over x minus 4. Let me see if I can get back, get that thing back. This is ridiculous. Let me go back. I'm sorry. Why is this acting up like this? Strange. Let me see if I can fix this. Files. Is there a problem? Acting strange. Sorry about this. Let me see about this. 713. I wasn't expecting these technical difficulties to suddenly intervene, but here we go. Let's go back down and see if we can get the thing going again. 713. There we go. Well, that should do it. I hope. Now there's an impromptu explanation of how this works. Yeah, okay, great. It seems to be working better now. I hope. All right, let's go back again. Yep, that's working. Strange. All right, here we go. Here we go. 3 minus 4x over 8x minus 6. Now, all right, 8t minus 6. Okay, 8 and 6 is a common factor of 2, which we pull out, 4t minus 3. That's the reverse from 3 minus 4t, so we pull out a negative. So negative of 4t minus 3 over twice 4t minus 3. The 4t minus 3's cancel, leave a minus a half. 2 minus a over a squared minus a minus 2. This in the denominator factors into a minus 2, a plus 1. The a minus 2 is the opposite of 2 minus a, so we write it that way, minus a plus minus 2 all over a minus 2, a plus 1. The a minus 2's cancel, leaving a negative 1 over a plus 1. All right, just a second. All right, here we go. Very strange. Strange little flaw there. All right, here we go. 25 minus 5m over m squared minus 25. Well, it's going to be a lot like before. There's m squared minus 25. It factors into m minus 5 times m plus 5. There's 25 minus 5n. I reverse the order. Minus of 5n minus 25. Obviously, there's a factor of 5 to pull out. So minus 5, m minus 5 over m minus 5, m plus 5. The m minus 5's cancel, leaving a negative 5 over m plus 5. Here we have quadratic over quadratic. X squared plus 3x plus 2 over x squared plus x minus 2. This first one, after the usual PQ method, factors x plus 2 times x plus 1. This factors in x plus 2, x minus 1. The x plus 2's cancel, leaving x plus 1 over x minus 1. Now this one's a little trickier. 2x plus 3 to the 4th power over this quadratic. 4x squared plus 12x plus 9. Now we could factor this by the AC method. Two numbers which sum to 12, whose product is 4 times 9, and that's a whole set of steps. It's in this case, it's the shortcut is that this fits the formula for a perfect square. 4x squared is the square of 2x. 9 is the square of 3. And so 2x times 3 times 2 does indeed multiply to 12x. This is square plus twice product plus square. Therefore, is the square of a sum, 2x plus 3. So 2x plus 3 to the 4th power over same to the 2nd power. The ratio, you just subtract the 4 minus 2, and you get 2x plus 3 to the 2nd power. And that's the answer here. 15x minus 3x squared over 25y minus 5xy. Well, this has a common factor of x and also of 3, so 3x. Dividing it out, you get 3x times 5 minus x. 25y minus 5xy, common factor of y, also of 5. Pulling out the 5y, again, you get 5 minus x. These cancel, getting 3x over 5y. Okay, that concludes this part. Stop recording.